The flat plot of this house is located in a highly wooded development with preserved areas of native forest at the foot of Serra de Japi in Brazil. Considered a national heritage site due to its biodiversity, this mountain range houses an extensive Atlantic forest reserve. Observations of this lush environment were key to the design, which was based on the premise of creating a single-story house that would not require the removal of any existing trees and could coexist harmoniously with the local nature. A series of openings in the roof slab were made as a reference to the natural permeability of the tree canopies. These openings allow sunlight and wind to enter and create gardens inside the house, as well as generate interesting contrasts of light and shadow while offering views of the trees. Upon entering the house, a large glass area provides a view of the back of the lot. This central transparency aims to spark curiosity and surprise in visitors, inviting them inside. The volumetry consists of 4 blocks. In the longitudinal direction are the service block, the private pavilion with the bedrooms and TV room, and the sauna block. From the back view of the house, the standout feature is the metal structure roof, painted black with a wood finish ceiling. Positioned transversely, standing out more prominently, is the social block with a higher ceiling that houses the living rooms and kitchen. Perforated metal sliding panels provide greater privacy and control of sunlight in the bedrooms. The social, private, and sauna blocks are interconnected by a metal structure roof that shelters the bedroom veranda and the gourmet veranda.